Hi everybody from YouTube. Chef Capone Jr. here. I have a package in the mail. I got quite a few packages. I've been falling behind on my mail. My father's been in the hospital, so I've been dealing with that. So anyways, let me show you what I got. And most of you will know who this is from, but I'll give you one hint. And people who follow this gentleman will know who he is. He always starts his videos, "Ladies and gentlemen." And that's the hint. Okay. Okay, hold on. We're stuck here. Okay, got it. First of all, if you guessed, yep, it's the bear. Cool sticker. Don't have that one. Okay. And his is COA. It's can't pronounce that word. It's a Volt bar, but it's one of his new bars. It's 9.3 ounces, number 2. Never had a number 2 bar. Must be my lucky day. Whoop, sorry. I should watch what I'm doing, huh? Okay. Sorry, beer, if I got this out a little late, buddy. Here we go. Okay. Look at that. It's not one of those long bars, but it's one. What's one? Yeah. What's one? Hunky monkey. Wow, that is heavy. These lines are unbelievable. I can't get over it. Nobody can get over it. Number 2, very nice. Real cool bear. Great work. Proud to own this piece. And I want to thank everybody for watching this video. And please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you need some excellent work done, this is the man you want to see. Thank you. Have a nice day.